Hey guys, and welcome to Web, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can generate a song in less than 3 minutes using this amazing AI tool. So the step 1 will be to generate lyrics. To do that, we'll go to ChatGPT and just give a prompt saying write a lyrics that must be inspirational for new YouTubers. So basically this song will be for new YouTubers. So I'm just given a prompt saying generate a song that should be inspirational for the YouTubers. It has generated the lyrics. So just I'll copy this and I'll just paste it in my Google Docs. And I'll just remove these things very quickly. So another thing to keep in mind is that the AI tool that we'll be using for generating this song has only 750 character limit. So we can't use the whole lyrics because I think it's exceeding the 750 character limit. So I'll just remove these 4 paras from here and I'll just copy only these lyrics. Okay. So now the most important part, the AI tool that we'll be using to generate this song. So that is app.songr.ai. So basically this is the AI tool that we'll be using to generate this song. So we have like pop, hip hop, cafe or piano rock. So we can choose from these 4 categories which we want our song to be. So I'll choose the cafe category. So I have my own lyrics. So I'll just click on this and I'll just copy this lyrics and paste it there. Okay. Character still has exceeded 440 characters. Okay, so I'll just remove this line also, and yeah, we are in the character limit. So the next step is like we need to select which voice we want, like male or female. So I'll go with the male voice and I'll just click on render. So let's just wait till it generates this song. Okay, and this AI tool has generated this song, so let us listen to that.
In a world of endless screens, where dreams take flight, new YouTubers rise with hearts so bright. They're the captains of their ships, setting sail tonight to share their passion and their stories with all their might. Oh, new YouTuber, let your light shine bright in this digital sea. You reach new heights. Don't be afraid to take that first stride with courage and passion.
So you have seen how amazingly it has generated this song. So if you didn't like this song, then you have an option called as restart, where it will again regenerate and create a new song. So this is how you can create a new songs like in just a fraction of minutes. So thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
In a world of endless screens, where dreams take flight, new YouTubers rise with hearts so